Want photos that look professionally, want to polish them. Canva lets you soften those harsh edges between your images, so like adding a smooth fade between portrait and background. So I'm going to show you, like, this is not really like a built-in feature, but it's like kind of a workaround. It's not like a button you press and voila. But I'm going to show you exactly how to create this effect in Canva. So please watch this till the very end, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe for more tutorials about Canva, about Photoshop, about so many other things. So I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Really make me happy if you subscribe. And now let's jump right. Actually, subscribe only if you find this helpful. Deal? So now what you have to do, I'm gonna look for an image. Just look for an image. I'm gonna select this one. Here, it's good when the background and the image is kind of the same. If is it the same, then that's kind of what will make the difference, or that's going to help a lot. So I'm also gonna click on this and click on this and check this, so it's kind of the same color, even if right down here is different, but no worries. Now I'm gonna click on this background and I'm gonna select the color. So now you have to use now you're gonna have to go to colors and change to this color. So you have this color. First is as you can see, there's transparency, and the other one is the color of the background. And now I can position this right down here, and I can right click on this, and select copy, and then I'm just gonna paste this one here, 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 one here. Now another thing that you can do, but I don't know if it will make really this photo look much better, but let's go to background removal, and now here this picture is is cropped, and now you can add some shadow if you like to add this kind of a shadow, or maybe a color like this. Maybe you want to go for this kind of look. Doesn't look bad, can't say that this looks that really bad, but you can change the size, you can change the angle, distance, intensity. It looks interesting. In here, like, you can add some text, so you can customize this. And look here, you can write handwriting, looking for handwriting, and this looks actually perfect. And here I can write blend or whatever you want, but I'm just gonna write the title of this video. And now I'm just gonna click on here, just decrease the edge, and this will look already very nice. Now let me show you for a different image. You can look for white background girl. I'm looking for a girl in a white background. So here looks how many images there are. This one looks good, this one looks good. It's actually quite black, sorry, white. So now we can look for this square. You can change the color to white, and now is white, as you can see, like this, so it covers the image here. Now we just need to add here some shadow, some transparency to this. So we have here transparency. I'm just gonna show you how to add transparency a little later on. Now we have transparency added to this. Now I can position this here and just hold Alt and duplicate, so you can duplicate, but you see it leaves like this, so we can actually just change the size and move this like here, so we don't have any harsh kind of harsh what it's called in English. So right now we can multiply this. If you hold Alt and drag, you're gonna multiply this. I mean, it looks now like this. It looks much better, I'll say. In the school part, you can also grab any shape from here. Maybe you would like to add this kind of look. So I'm just gonna delete all these images here. And please watch, because now I'm going to show you how to create this gradient to transparency effect. And I'm going to go like this, and you just increase this, go to color, and here I'm going to click on this, add a new color, gradient. For the first one, I'm going to click on this and select white. For the second one here, I'm going to click on this and drag so it's transparent. And now we have here gradient colors. One is white and the other one is transparent. And now I can hold Alt and duplicate. Hold Alt duplicate, hold Alt duplicate, hold Alt duplicate, and now you get this effect that I think looks pretty helpful and very nice as well, of course. And now look at this. Now you can go in here and add some text again. Blend with life. Something like this. We can change, sorry, this one here, spacing. And you know, you can grab this. Is very annoying when you do it, when you work with others. So make sure you hold shift like this, right click and lock everything else. Only the text is not locked, so you can move freely and not select the picture or something else by mistake, you know. And now let me show you how you can create now this effect. What you can do here is, let's say I'm gonna add some text, and I have for this image, let's say. So I'm gonna click on share, download, and here I'm gonna select which one I like. So I'll go with this one here and click on download. And now I'd like to add this image inside a text, so I can move this here. Now I have this image here. Actually, I shouldn't do that. I should have imported without this text because I don't need this text here. So let's just import this again. Excuse me. Now after it was imported, I can just drag and drop our image here, and now I have this image. Now what can I do is actually go to text here, and also be like this, and here we can add some text. So I can go here and add some text. Let's say welcome or whatever you want. Now I just need to increase the size like so. And behind this I can add this this shape. And now I'll right click on this layer and send back. This one here I can hide. Actually, I don't need it right now. And text, change the color to white, to black to white from here. And now this one changed from this color to this color. And now here you can use impact. I think works best for this effect. Like this. And now we're gonna have to import this. Only page 3 and download. Okay, now we're just gonna drag this here. And now for this image, we're gonna move it here. And now I'm going to edit photo and remove background. Now we have this inside our photo. We can duplicate this. And now we have this interesting effect. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.